Hi YouTube. As you can see, I've got the new Sky HD Plus. It's the 2 TB version, and recently upgraded. Really pleased with it. Just one thing: the new menu, with the new update that I downloaded today, which is the 13th of July. The sound settings for this has been upgraded. As you can see, it now states that you can have digital audio output HDMI. Now you can set this to normal, which is absolutely fine, and as you can hear, I've got Pirates of the Caribbean in the background, and the sound is really good. Change this to Dolby Digital. Obviously there's no sound. Now, even though my TV is relatively new, supports Dolby Digital, and I have a good lead, a HDMI lead as well, but again, there is no sound. I've had a look on the internet and I can't seem to find any resolution to this. But if anybody does have an idea or able to help, then please send me an email or reply to this video. Thank you.